Firebase real-time database versus AWS cloud AppSync. The cloud says that you can build a serverless application. That means the cloud act as a backend to your applications. So cloud hosts a database and you can write a business logic before writing a data to a database. So Google Firebase Cloud introduced Firebase real-time database. So on the event of add or update or delete to the database, you can trigger a cloud function. You can write a business logic inside that and to do the necessary updates to other databases or make use of other cloud features. So cloud Firebase real-time database syncs the data across the applications, Android, iOS, and web applications. So when it comes to AWS cloud, and AWS cloud hosts a database and you can write a business logic in cloud function and that can be triggered on the events of add or update or delete on the database. But these databases are not real-time database and it doesn't sync the data across the UI applications. To add this real-time and offline capabilities to that database, and so AWS cloud introduced AppSync, the AppSync web service. The AppSync web service, using this AppSync web service, you can add a real-time and offline capabilities to your applications. So not only adding the real-time offline capabilities to your applications, but also we can build our UI applications the way we build right now by calling APIs. And API schema can be defined, and in that schema we can define our response and request models, and also we can add a security configuration to that APIs, and then it is splits that AWS cloud uh, splits that functionality, and Firebase real-time database, it's inbuilt functionality, real-time sync data across the UI applications. But AWS cloud has split that functionality, and then you can use a database as like we are using a database, and we don't need to use that real-time capabilities. We can just use a database. Uh, if you want a real-time capabilities, and we can use that AppSync service. And if you want the way we develop now we're calling APIs, and then more flexible in our application, calling APIs, defining a single API request and response model. So that provision also given by the AppSync web service. So these are all and thank you.